Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all, I've had a little request for some hush puppies. We had some fish tonight and grits. Y'all see that little video, and I am whipping up some hush puppies to go with it, and I hope y'all will enjoy it. Hush puppies are just a little side you're going to see all over the place. I'm sure not just in the South, but everywhere. Honey, if there's a barbecue, there's a fish fry, you're going to see some hush puppies. So I'm going to start showing you how I do mine. I have a half a cup of all-purpose flour in here, and we're going to put 1.5 cups of just some plain yellow cornmeal, okay? So 1.5 cups of this. Some people do a 1-to-1 ratio, but I'm doing it this way. Come on out there. You can do it. Watch it all plop at once. I'll just have a mess. All right. That's about 1.5 cups. I'm just going to give this a quick little mix here. Now I'm going to add the rest of my dry ingredients. I'm going to do about a teaspoon of, I got some kosher salt here. Teaspoon of that. There we go. I'm going to do a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder. You don't have to do that much if you don't want it. If you don't want it at all, don't worry about it. But I'm just going to do a little bit of flavor in here. Now I've got some of that Louisiana Cajun seasoning. We're going to put a little bit of that in there. I'm going to do about a teaspoon of that. I did a little healthy teaspoon of that. Now we're going to do for baking powder, I'm going to do 1.5. Woo, did you see that? Oh, bless. About 1.5 of that. I hope that was right, Lord. Got some baking soda. I'm at the end of the bottom here, so I'm just going to dig in here and get it. I about used all of that. Do a teaspoon of baking soda. We got our salt. You know, I think I'm going to do 1 more teaspoon of salt. So 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of the baking powder, and 1 of the baking soda. All right. All our ingredients. Now we're going to just give it a little mix. A little mixy mix. Before we add some of our wet ingredients. Now I am adding some onion. I have this really fine, if you can see that. I actually put it on the grater and just kind of grated it down because I don't want no big hunks of onion in it or anything. There's one little big hunk right there. We'll just get him right out. How about that? And I've got some little jalapeno here. I've just got 1 jalapeno that I'm gonna put in there. Just pick little fella out of our garden.
Yeah, we got a little bit of pepper.
Got our little peppers going on. Yes, Lord. All right, now I'm gonna go in with an egg. 1 egg. Y'all, I just busted an egg on the floor before we started. Rolled right off. I like to cry.
She did. She looked very
distraught. I said, good Lord. I forgot to put my sugar in the wet ingredients. I knew as I was forgetting something. I'm going to start with, I'm just going to do 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can do whatever you want to do. 2 tablespoons. Alright, and I've got some buttermilk. Always give it a little shake. Make sure it's all that goodness is mixed up. I'm going to start with about 3/4 cup. We might need some more. If we do, we got a whole big old honking jug right there. Get right in it. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and dump my onions in. I've got a half an onion to this mix and just 1 jalapeno. Now you don't want to over mix hush puppies. You don't want to do it. So we're just going to kind of mix it just real gentle. Put our little milk in there. Give it a little mix. I might need some more milk. And it's gonna be stiff, y'all. So, but I do need some more milk. Maybe a cup of milk. Let's do another little quarter cup here. Give that a mix. That buttermilk is really thick too. And you can use milk. I just like the buttermilk. I really do. We'll just roll it around here, kind of fold it. And this isn't for a huge recipe. It's just me and James Russell. So we're not going to work it hard. Just until it's mixed. Now this is what it's going to look like. You see how fast that was? This is what it looks like. Now, while my grease is getting hot, I'm going to just sit this to the side and let it sit for just a minute before we get it. Some people put it in the refrigerator, some people put it in the freezer for just a little while. But I'm just going to let it sit here. So I've got my grease back here. I'm going to get my grease hot. And then we'll fry up these good old hush puppies. Alright, y'all, got my oil heated. You should heat it to about 350 degrees. I am, however, going to sacrifice one of these little hush puppies here to see if it's hot enough. I'm just going to drop it in right there. See what we got. Give it a little, you know, I didn't get nothing to get them out with. Got this little doodad. Alright. I think it's good. So I'm going to start dropping them in. Now I didn't let mine get real cold, so hopefully it's going to be just fine. But see how it puffed up right there? See the mix right there, how it puffs up? Looks kind of spongy. That's what you want. Good stuff. And I just used my little melon ball here. Now we gonna I ain't gonna get too many in there because I'll get it going. We just gonna give it a roll. Look how pretty that's
golden.
looking good. Give it a little roll. If you crowd your pan too, that's just trouble, honey. Just trouble. We want these to be just soft on the inside, crunchy on the outside, baby. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. They are looking fabulous. And they just float around on top. I think these are, see how fast it is?
Yeah, quick.
And they're almost there. I'm going to go ahead and take him out. Go ahead and get him out of there. My little sacrificial hush puppy. I'm going to put it on this little grate so that all that little grease can drain off, that little excess. Look at that. Ain't that just beautiful? Golden brown.
Man, beautiful.
Golden brown. All right. Well, I'm going to just fry the rest of these, y'all. I don't guess you need to see all that. Let me show you one little trick. If you don't have a scoop, you can scoop it with a spoon like so. Well, I'm trying to use my right hand here. And you can just scoop it right in like this. Scoop. And it'll work out just fine for you. You don't have a scoop. Some people make them really, really thick and roll them into balls. Get them real cold and roll them. But you don't have to do all that, honey. You ain't got to mess with it.
They ain't got to be pretty.
No.
Hush puppies ain't got to be pretty. Most of the time they ain't. They all wonky looking. But they taste good. That's the main thing.
Yes, sir. And like I said, you will find these at just about every restaurant around our neck of the woods.
Oh, yeah.
You will.
From barbecue to fish fry to any kind of thing, really.
Yep. It's just as common as a slice of cornbread on the side.
It really is. Hush puppies go about everything.
It does. All right. I'm going to get these rolling around here. I'm messing spoon up lousy. Give these a little flip. And then Russell, he can give a little taste. Now, I don't know about y'all. You can make all kind of little sauces. You can mix like ketchup, mayo, sriracha together. That one's pretty good. But I love just honey butter. Just honey butter. We have a restaurant here, and that's what they do, and it's so good. All right. You ready to taste them?
I'm ready. Let's do
All
it.
right, let's do it, baby. All right, y'all. Hush puppies. Hush puppies and little... Shh, hush puppies. Hush puppies and a little honey butter.
Yeah.
And y'all know how to make honey butter. Just butter and a little honey, however you like
Whip it up.
Just whip it up, honey. It is delicious with these, I will tell you. And before you taste them, I did go a little heavy on that salt. So it's kosher salt, so I wouldn't have went with that 2nd teaspoon. But because I have already tasted, because hey, you gotta taste your food.
Taste your food.
You gotta taste your food.
Yep.
So your turn.
My turn.
And it'll be just fine with honey butter, I'm sure.
All right.
So.
Well, I'm about to give y'all my honest opinion. Whoa.
Uh-oh.
Well, I can tell you, she's falling apart.
Yeah.
And it looks good. Crunchy and
Crunchy on the outside,
Ooh.
soft on the inside. Mm-hmm. Yeah, right?
Crunchy.
It is.
Very good.
Mm-hmm. I like that ratio of the
And y'all, I'm
flour
double dipping.
and the...
But I'm the only one dipping.
It's yours, baby.
Yeah.
It's yours.
Yeah.
You just have at it.
We gotta have a little bit more honey butter.
Mm-hmm. I love the honey butter with it.
Honey butter pairs very well with hush puppies.
Yep.
Got a little jalapeno in there, y'all.
I know I'm weird when we're eating seafood somewhere. I will dip a little bit in tartar and a little bit in cocktail sauce. I just mix it up. Do, boom. When they don't have honey butter. So,
Fantastic.
it's good. Good stuff, y'all. See how quick it was? Didn't take no time.
Very good.
Whip it up.
Yeah.
And perfect little companion for your fish
Yes,
and all
ma'am.
that stuff. So anyway, y'all
Fish, barbecue.
Yeah, y'all look for the fish. I don't know which one will come out first, the fish or the hush puppies, but
I don't either at this point, y'all, but we'll see.
And thank y'all so much for hanging out with us, hanging out in our little kitchen, watching us eat and cook,
Yeah.
and loving on us.
Yep.
And until next time.